We just announced our AM partnership with Boeing. The aerospace industry has excellent potential for components made by additive manufacturing, and it comes with very high requirements for performance and safety. Boeing has chosen Oerlikon as a partner for our material and process competence, and it's a very important step to drive additive into serious production. Also, it's a great recognition of the team for our work and our dedication that we have. So what will we do? Oerlikon and Boeing will develop jointly data sets to be used on various printer platforms. Those data sets will then feed into the design process of the components of Boeing, and they will significantly ease the certification process. We will jointly create family of parts that meet the high requirements of the FAA and the Department of Defense, and parts that ultimately can be manufactured by Oerlikon. We're honored and excited to work with Boeing side by side on this vital project. It's another step of our commitment to work with leading industry players. And it leads in our mission to industrialize additive manufacturing and to unleash its full potential.